What's up, guys? We're back, and we are finally got some new game. It's called MX vs ATV All Out. It's a really fun game. So yeah, we're gonna be playing it. So here we go. I ain't got the best cameraman, but work with us. It's old Branson High. So we're just gonna kind of roll with it. And here we go. So we just tricked out the bike. It's a KTM 250, and I'm probably going to show you the track where we do a 5 up the hill. So it's like a step up, but you jump it like it's a 5 step up. So it's pretty gnarly. So yeah, I get X. Kind of not even paying attention. So yeah, we'll probably do a lot of camera angles to kind of show off the bike. You know, we'll do third person, the side cam. You know, at the side. Then we'll probably do some first person. The only one I'm not that great in is first person. You know, that's the one I'm not that great in. My favorite's probably third person. But we're gonna start off on this. So we got our bike. I'm gonna let you kind of see our bike a little bit. So there's our bike, good looking bike. So yeah, and then see this truck, we can do tons of stuff. Oh crap! Gotta get over here to this thing we did. Here's a good looking bike. We got some shift gear, Alpine Star boots. We are probably gonna do some motocross. We shall do Thundercrest. Yeah, let's start race. So this is kind of what we're going to start doing now. I mean, we'll probably be just posting All Out, but we might post a little bit of Martian Energy Supercross, the official game. It's mostly going to probably be this. This I'll probably do every week, you know, just about every week on Mondays if I can. It'll be that week. It ain't going to be like every single day. It'll be that week unless y'all start liking this a whole bunch and want me to post every day. So yeah. So this is what we're going to start doing. So yeah, if I never get it to load, okay, I'm going to change our camera first. I'm going to run this at first. We'll do a lap on this, and then we'll do a lap on each one. So yeah, I'm sure y'all love this track. I'm definitely not a pro at this track, but I bet I can get a win. So yeah, just bear with me. I'm off track a lot, but we can get it going. We always can get stuff going. Always do this. So yeah. And we're hoping to kind of get a better screen. We're gonna get some better stuff eventually. Hopefully, I mean it'll be years from now, but if this channel ever gets big, like it's not very big right now, I just need some subscribers. I would like to reach 30 subscribers, at least 30, at the end of the summer, you know. I'll be pretty happy with that, considering I struggle so much. So, yeah. And talking a little bit about the bike, it's pretty cool. It's KTM 250, rated high, 42. And I like my tuning. My tuning is, you know, it's what I haven't changed my tuning since I bought the game. I bought the game about 3 weeks ago, and this is what I had the time to post. So yeah. So if you like more of this, please tell me. And yeah. And soon we will be turning into the next camera spot. It's pretty cool. I really like this game. It's a lot of fun. I would definitely recommend getting it. So, yeah. There's one I'm just not good in. Oh, we're way long. Please don't wreck. Oh, yes. Okay, so we're in this screen. I don't know if y'all want this screen, but yeah. I'm going to try to get every screen in. If I can't, I'll just kind of start in the middle of a lap. Oh, I'm off track. I'm sorry. I'm gonna let you see the bike a little bit. So here's this person. We got some blue wheels. You can't really tell why we got blue wheels, but the underneath of it's blue and the blue matches. that's kind of what we ran, just to make it kind of match a little bit better. But I might change it back to black. I'm not positive. I'm liking what we got right now, liking our setup. And I think I already mentioned the tuning. I think I have, but I'm saying I didn't mess with any of the tuning. Didn't really mess with the engine at all. Kind of just didn't mess with that stuff. Just kind of tricked it out. Got some FMF, I think, top on it. I haven't checked in a while. And I am off track. This is why I suck in some of these cameras. Like the first one is the best one I do in. This is the second one I kind of do good in. I just can't really do very good in this. But yeah. Kind of laying down some focus right now because I'm not one of the pros at this game. For sure. I'm actually probably one of the amateurs. There's many guys that are much better than this. I'm just a beginner in this game. And I'm already getting wins, you know, and stuff. Oh man, we could go down. Okay, yes, we saved it. Yep. Can I ask the other side? So I doubt y'all kind of want to see it. It's the same thing. Here's first person. I know there's a lot of people that like first person. Oh, I'm off track. But I gotta get this. I'm gonna try. That is so creepy. I didn't get it, but that is so creepy, my man. That is so creepy in first person. I don't know if I can get that. I don't even think I got it. Yeah, this is the one I'm not good in. It's first person. But just bear with me. It's a really cool setting. I really like this. I'm glad they put this in the game. And we might talk a little bit about the two-stroke noise. You know, like the two-stroke noise in the next video. I don't know, we're kind of just showing off my bike right now. And just trying to get a video in. Oh, can we triple up? Oh, yes we can. Clean too. Oh, that would have been a quad if I could have stayed on track. They reset me. I'm sorry. So everything, I'm pretty much doing a preload on everything, but I try not to because it's much faster not doing a preload than doing a preload, I think. And I haven't timed anything lately, but still, that's the way it rolls. We're on third lap. We've almost got through all the camera settings. Oh man, I cannot do a whip in this setting. I'm sorry. This is just the one I'm not good in. I don't know why either. And you can tell when I'm hitting the clutch. You know, I think it's whenever that thing pops up red. That's how I hit the clutch a lot. I'm not positive, but we're going to change back to this because I'm just not good enough set, you know? So I'm going to try to get this 5 again. Oh, I just got the 4 that time. I'm going to try this one. It's not faster, so if you have the game and you're running this track, don't do it. And I like how this track's got some flowing corners. See, like, I'll go through some of the tracks, like some of the motocross tracks, and all the corners will be like turn, jump, turn, jump, turn. And I'm not really a fan of that. I mean, they're usually good tracks, but I mean, they just don't have enough flow. I mean, they have flow, but they just don't have flow in corners. Like, it's just jump, turn, which this is sort of like that, but I think I personally like these wider corners too. But this right here is like jump, turn, but it's actually a double section. So, but I'm triple singling. So